Hello my friends, welcome to the channel. So got a pile of Revolut Rev points and wondering how to turn them into cold hard cash. In 2025 it's not as straightforward as a button click, but I've got the workaround to make it happen. So first a quick heads up, Revolut points aren't cash. They're loyalty points you earn from spending, booking via Revolut stays, or rounding up spare change. Think 1 point per £1 spent on ultra plans. Officially, Revolut lets you redeem them for air miles, hotel discounts, or gift cards, not direct cash. But we can bridge that gap, so let's move on. So, cash out through gift cards. Open the Revolut app, tap Lifestyle, then Rev Points. Hit Shops or Redeem, you'll see brands like Amazon or local retailers. Posts on X say Amazon's live in some regions, 500 points might snag a £5 voucher. Pick one, redeem your points, and confirm. It's instant and gives you spendable value we can flip. Now, turn that voucher into cash. Use your Amazon gift card to buy something hot, like a phone, charger, or earbuds. Then sell it fast on eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or to a buddy. Price it under retail, say £4 or £5 item, and pocket the cash. Takes a bit of hustle, but it works. Step 4. Other tricks. Redeem points for air miles, so 1 point is 1 mile, then book a flight you'd buy anyway and save real money. Or use Rev points for a hotel stay via Stays, cancel a cash booking elsewhere, and keep the difference. Guys, that's how you convert Revolut Rev points to cash. No direct cash out yet, but this gets you close. So cashed out, drop your method below, like and subscribe. See you in the next one.